Now, invest time in learning. Very important. You really need or to invest time in learning. Okay? Now, invest time to learn a skill. Now, freelancing, di ba sabi ko kanina in the definition of terms, freelancing or virtual assistance is a business. Okay? Business is equal to capital or money. So, lumaki tayo dito sa Pilipinas na pag sinabing business, kailangan, para makapag-business, kailangan mo ng capital or money. And that is not the case sa freelancing. Kasi ang pinaka number one investment mo lang talaga sa freelancing is time. I'm sure may laptop ka na naman yata. Kung wala pa, I think that's the one thing na kailangan mo muna makuha or tsaka internet. Pero kung meron ka ng laptop tsaka meron ka ng internet, I think spending a capital of time na lang ang kailangan mo to learn a skill. Okay? Wala kang ilalabas na pera, pero oras, oo. Now, sabi pa dito, based on research to, while 20 hours may not make you an expert, it is enough to become a proficient and confident on the basics of a new skill. So, ibig sabihin nito, guys, if you want to learn a new skill, you just need 20 hours to be proficient on it. 20 hours lang. Example, gusto mo matuto ng web design, spend 20 hours. After 24 hours, 20 hours, proficient ka na. Proficient not expert. Proficient. Gusto mo ng graphic design, give yourself a 20 hours. Learn 2 hours a day for the next 20 days. Magiging proficient ka at the end. You want to learn social media marketing, give yourself 20 hours. Magiging proficient ka at maging proficient ka after 20 hours. Now, nandito ulit si Alex Hormozy. You can be proficient in any skill in 20 hours. The problem is people would wait a decade to start the first hour. Ayan, relate ba? Okay? That is a problem. I'm not saying I'm perfect, pero this is also something I struggled before. Gusto ko mag-study nito, bukas na lang. Next week na lang. Next month. Sige, next year na lang. Nag-decade na lang, wala pa, hindi pa inumpisahan. Okay? Pero ngayon, alam mo na, 20 hours lang ang need mo para maging proficient. So, ang lesson dito is, do not delay your next step. If you think of something na gusto mo aralin mo na agad. Ngayon na, after listening to this course, aralin mo na agad. Ano napili mong skill? Go, aralin mo na. Ang daming free tutorial sa YouTube. Do it now. I mean, do it after taking this course. But always do it always do it immediately. Huwag ka na maghintay ng a decade to start the first hour. Okay? Now, your success in freelancing depends on how fast you take action. This is really true. Okay? On everything gaano ka kabilis gumawa ng proposal, gaano ka kabilis mag-reply, gaano ka kabilis mag-aral, gaano ka kabilis matuto. Speed is everything sa freelancing, especially in taking action.